Sorry it took so long to get a video out, but I have got a day job. As you can see, the beetle's gone. It's I think the roll cage made. So this week, coming up the video, we'll do something a little different. Alright, I said I was going to bring you something a little different. So what we're going to do, we're just going to head out and go to a car meet. And then we're going to pop out on the night time and go to another one. I'll see you in a bit. Wow, that's clean.
Factory beat up colour.
Yeah.
But it's a limited edition colour.
Yeah.
There's only like 6 cars in the world in it. Like the factory. Would you like me to pop the one?
Yeah, please, yeah. That's the money shot.
Yeah.
So what's the back with this?
So I've got contact a mate that's fab guy.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's done all the fabrication side of things.
Nice. Yeah, that's sweet.
So yeah, there's a little bit of work in progress still with a few little electrical upgrades.
Right, this is Noah. He organises a car meet.
The cafe is Trackhawk.
Yeah.
Sort of once a month we put together a car meet. Basically, just invite everyone to come along, all sort of makes and models, and we don't really mind what you drive, what you don't drive. It's a family sort of.
How long has this been going?
We started this first time in August.
Yeah.
August last year.
Yeah.
And it's just getting better every month. So
Yeah, and you've got quite a mix of cars.
yeah.
Cars over here.
We always aim to improve it, and we sort of try and collab with everyone around Perth.
Yeah.
Just have that little bit of a community with the people.
Yeah, it's good. It's like burnout. Somebody said to me that's not a usual thing.
That is not really, so we don't encourage that sort of burnout.
Yeah.
It's come and go, drive a bit quicker, we can hear the sound of the car, but nothing too crazy. At the end of the day, we just make sure it's all safe for everyone. It does add a bit of a flavour to the area.
Yeah.
Not much goes on in Osborne Park, unfortunately, especially on a weekend.
Great.
It's only getting better from here.
Yeah.
Next one will
you
be.
serve nice coffee for everyone.
Oh, appreciate it.
Great.
Thank you. We'll put a bit of love into it. So.
Alright, this is Shady. He's going to show us around his Trackhawk. It's, what is it at the end?
7:30.
7:30 at the wheels. What else have you done to it? I noticed the interior's been...
Smaller kit all over it.
Yeah.
But it's all original, you know what I mean? I've just changed the colour.
Change the colour, yeah.
So all the aircon seats and heated seats, it all still works.
Yeah.
It's just the black and yellow.
Smell the leather.
Yeah.
And exhaust, what's it? System?
It's standard.
Standard, is it? Wow. And the wheels are standard, yeah.
Standard on it.
Standard Brembos.
Smiles, gives you miles. And
Yeah.
It just doesn't matter every time you're in it. Yeah, it just makes you smile.
Sounds good. Right, that's it for this video. Big shout out to all the new subscribers over the past couple of weeks. I really appreciate the support, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.
Abby, what are you doing? What are you doing with that stuff?
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.